Picture the worst version of your next outdoor trip. No signal, no power, contaminated water, a flat tire at midnight on a road with no streetlights. Now picture having every gadget on this list. 10 survival tools so well engineered, so genuinely useful in a crisis, that the worst version of that trip becomes a manageable inconvenience instead of a disaster. You hope you'll never need them, but you'll be very glad you watched this video. Number 1. Water is the one thing you can't survive without. And in a survival situation, a natural disaster, a backcountry emergency, a contaminated supply, clean water becomes the most valuable resource on the planet. The LARQ PureVis 2 is the self-purifying water bottle that makes safe hydration possible anywhere. And it's the survival gadget you hope you'll never need, but will be extraordinarily grateful to have when you do. UVC LED technology built into the cap activates every 2 hours automatically, eliminating up to 99.99% of harmful bacteria and viruses from the water inside without chemicals, without filters to replace, without any user action required. Adventure Mode runs a full purification cycle on demand for water sources that require more aggressive treatment before drinking. The double-wall insulation keeps water cold for 24 hours or hot for 12. The bottle you carry every day becomes the survival tool you need when the tap stops being safe. LARQ PureVis 2 doesn't just hydrate you. In the moments that matter most, it keeps you alive. Number 2. Mosquitoes aren't just annoying. In the wrong environment, the wrong continent, the wrong season, the wrong water source nearby, they are a genuine health threat. The Flextail Tiny Repeller S is a survival gadget that handles that threat quietly, chemically free, and without making you smell like a bottle of DEET for 3 days straight. The 2-in-1 design combines ultrasonic mosquito repellent with a physical repellent heating element, two independent systems working together to create a protected zone around you that insects consistently avoid. Compact enough to clip to a backpack, a tent zipper, or a belt loop, the Tiny Repeller S goes with you without adding meaningful weight or bulk to your kit. USB rechargeable, long runtime per charge, a coverage radius that protects a campsite, a hammock, or a rest stop without requiring you to do anything beyond switching it on. For hikers, campers, travelers in tropical climates, and anyone spending meaningful time in mosquito territory, the Tiny Repeller S is the gadget that makes the outdoors feel like the outdoors again, without the part where something is trying to bite you every 30 seconds. Number 3. Cell signal disappears the moment you actually need it. In a backcountry emergency, a twisted ankle 3 miles from the trailhead, a boat taking on water, a tent swept away in a flash flood, the only communication that works is satellite, and the Garmin inReach Messenger Plus puts satellite communication in your jacket pocket. This is a survival gadget that could save your life, and it's the one on this list you most hope you'll never use the primary feature of. The SOS button connects directly to the GEOS International Emergency Response Center, a 24/7 staffed rescue coordination service that receives your GPS coordinates, your situation, and dispatches appropriate emergency response regardless of where on Earth you are. Two-way messaging over the Iridium satellite network lets you communicate with family, with rescue teams, or with your trip coordinator from any location on the planet. No cell towers required. GPS tracking lets a designated contact follow your route in real time, knowing where you are even when you can't tell them. Garmin inReach Messenger Plus isn't a gadget for adventurers. It's a gadget for anyone who goes anywhere that cell coverage can't follow, which, eventually, is everyone. Number 4. A survival kit that takes up a backpack defeats the purpose of a survival kit. The ROXON Spark is the outdoor survival tool that packs everything essential into a form factor small enough to disappear into a side pocket, and it's the gadget you hope you'll never need in a real emergency, but will reach for constantly on every trip before that. Multi-tool construction combines the functions that actually matter in outdoor and emergency situations: cutting, sparking, signaling, and securing in a single integrated unit that weighs almost nothing and takes up even less space. The fire starting mechanism works in wet conditions, the scenario where fire matters most and matches consistently fail. Built from materials that handle real abuse, the ROXON Spark is engineered for the conditions where gear gets tested, rather than the conditions where it looks good in product photos. For hikers, campers, preppers, and anyone who spends time in environments where a single tool doing multiple jobs is the difference between a manageable situation and a serious one, the ROXON Spark belongs on your kit list permanently. Number 5. When the power goes out and stays out, your devices become your lifeline. Weather alerts, emergency contacts, GPS navigation, the communication tools that keep you informed and connected when the grid can't. The SYUL is the solar-powered 15,000 mAh power bank that keeps those tools alive, and it's the survival gadget you hope you'll never need at full capacity but will use constantly for everything before that moment arrives. 15,000 mAh of capacity charges most smartphones 4 to 5 times before the bank itself needs refreshing. The solar panel on the back tops it up passively in daylight, extending the usefulness window significantly beyond what a conventional power bank offers in an off-grid situation. The integrated LED light handles illumination when you need it. The integrated speaker handles audio alerts, emergency broadcasts, or simply morale on a long night. One device. Power, light, solar recharging. The SYUL is the emergency kit that fits in a day bag and works hardest when everything else has stopped. Number 6. Your regular phone is not a survival tool. Drop it from waist height onto concrete, and the conversation changes immediately. The Oukitel WP300 is the survival gadget built for the conditions where phones are supposed to work but consistently don't, and it's the rugged phone that makes you wonder why you ever trusted fragile glass to handle environments that demand something considerably tougher. Industrial-grade drop resistance, IP68 waterproofing that handles full submersion rather than the splash-resistant rating that fails in real rain, extreme temperature tolerance on both ends of the scale. The modular design is the headline feature, swappable rear modules that convert the phone into a thermal camera, a high-powered flashlight, a walkie-talkie, or a power bank depending on what the situation requires. One device, multiple survival configurations, built to take the punishment that outdoor environments and genuine emergencies actually deliver. Massive battery, loudspeaker, a display readable in direct sunlight. The Oukitel WP300 is the phone that works when working matters most. Number 7. A flat inflatable in the backcountry isn't the minor inconvenience. A deflated sleeping pad at altitude when the temperature drops overnight, an inflatable kayak that won't hold air at the put-in, a rescue flotation device that needs to be ready in seconds. The Flextail Tiny Pump 3X is the world's strongest portable air pump, and it's the survival gadget that earns its place in the kit by doing one thing extraordinarily well. The inflation power output is genuinely remarkable for a device this compact, capable of filling large volume inflatables faster than most pumps twice its size, while the battery capacity supports multiple full inflation cycles per charge. Multiple nozzle attachments cover every valve type you're likely to encounter: sleeping pads, water toys, rescue equipment, air mattresses, inflatable shelters. Deflation mode pulls air out just as efficiently as it puts it in, compressing gear for pack-out without the 20 minutes of rolling and sitting on a sleeping pad that every camper knows too well. Tiny, powerful. One of those tools you don't think about until you desperately need it. The Flextail Tiny Pump 3X is the one you'll be glad you had. Number 8. A flashlight is the most basic survival tool in existence, and most people own one that would disappoint them at the moment it matters. The WUBEN X1Pro is a flashlight that redefines what compact can do, and it's a survival gadget that earns the "you hope you'll never need it" tag because the scenarios where it saves you are exactly the scenarios you never planned for. Output levels range from a battery-preserving low mode to a maximum throw that lights terrain far enough ahead to matter in a genuine navigation emergency. The lumen ceiling on the X1Pro belongs in a much larger light, compact enough to disappear in a shirt pocket, built to military-grade impact and water resistance standards that laugh at the conditions that kill lesser flashlights. USB-C rechargeable with a battery indicator that tells you exactly how much runtime you have left. No guessing, no dead light surprises at the wrong moment. The strobe mode for signaling, the low mode for all-night battery conservation, a clip that keeps it accessible without taking up hand space. WUBEN X1Pro is the flashlight you reach for when the power goes out, and the one you trust when the stakes are higher than a power outage. Number 9. The human eye is useless in darkness. A thermal camera isn't. The SYUL Nano thermal camera is a survival gadget that gives you vision in conditions where vision should be impossible. And in a genuine emergency situation, that capability is worth more than almost anything else on this list. The SYUL Nano plugs directly into your smartphone and turns its screen into a thermal imaging display, seeing heat signatures through darkness, through smoke, through the visual conditions that make search and rescue both necessary and nearly impossible. Lost hiker in dense forest after dark, fire situation with zero visibility, a rescue scenario where finding a heat signature in an otherwise dark environment is the difference between a successful outcome and a tragedy. For outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, and preppers, thermal imaging used to mean expensive dedicated hardware. The SYUL Nano puts it on the device already in your pocket. See in the dark, in the smoke, in the situations where seeing is the only thing that matters. Number 10. The most common survival situation most people ever face isn't in the wilderness. It's on the side of a road, at night with a dead battery and no signal. The Vantrue Power JS3 is the all-in-one roadside safety guardian that handles that exact scenario and every variation of it, from a single device that belongs in every vehicle permanently. Jump starter powerful enough to start a dead car battery without another vehicle present. No cables strung between two cars at the side of a highway in the dark. Built-in air compressor for flat tires, because the two most common roadside emergencies just got handled by one device. LED emergency light with a flashing warning mode that makes your stopped vehicle visible to oncoming traffic before they're close enough for it to matter. USB charging ports keep your phone alive while you handle the situation, because the device you need to call for help shouldn't die while you're assessing the problem. The Vantrue JS3 doesn't prepare you for the wilderness. It prepares you for Tuesday night on the way home from work, which statistically is the emergency most people actually face. Thanks for watching TechQubix. Subscribe for more future tech.